Okay, 1 mole is equal to what did we just say?
6.022.
Good job. 6.022 times 10 to the 23. Now, you can write down, when we're talking about chemistry, we're going to use the word atoms, or we're going to use the word molecules, or we're going to use the word formula units. All right? Now, you could talk about apples, you could talk about giraffes, you could talk about popcorns, but for chemistry, 1 mole is 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms, molecules. Okay? Now, here's what it's also equal to. Is you ready? 1 mole is also equal to the atomic mass on the periodic table. For each element. The atomic mass on the periodic table for each element. So each element has a little box. Okay?
So 1.
This, let's put carbon here. Carbon has 6 protons and it's 12.011. Now the box represents 1 mole. The box itself represents 1 mole of carbon. And in that 1 mole of carbon, you have 12.011 grams. Okay? 12.011 grams. Write that down. Okay? So every time you look at a periodic table, when you look in one of these boxes, it's talking about 1 mole, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules or atoms. And the weight of that is what's on the periodic table. Write it down.
Wait, can you explain that?
Just wait for it to be on the
Okay? All right, now, the mass on the periodic table. Mass on the periodic table. This is called a molar mass. Mass on the periodic table is called a molar mass. So you have 3 definitions. We have 3 terms here. We have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. A mole is equal to the atomic mass on the periodic table for each element. And a molar mass is just the grams that you get off of the periodic table. So, the molar mass of carbon would be what? 12.011 grams in this box, which means 1 mole. Okay? 12.011 grams per mole. Got it?
Okay, so the atomic mass on the periodic table for each element is equal to 1 mole.
Yes,
Why is that?
because that's 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms. So every box that is here in the periodic table, okay, represents that many molecules, that many atoms. And that many atoms of each element is what the mass is in the periodic table. This many carbon atoms has a mass of 12.011. So the molar mass is basically saying that. The molar mass is what the mass is on the periodic table, because it takes that many carbon atoms to make it 12 grams. So we call that the molar mass. When you look at the mass on the periodic table, you're looking for the molar mass. The molar mass of carbon is 12.011 grams over mole. Okay? Because why? There are 12.011 grams in this box, so it's grams per box, grams per mole. That's how you write that. Okay? So from now on, when we look at the periodic table grading, it tells us grams per mole. It's not always 12. It depends on what element you're looking at. Okay? All right? Stop that.
Now that that's
Then
off,
the back down.
Don't we bring it?
And no. Yes. Now stop.
Courtney.